Most of your friends may not be your friends. A few years ago, I almost gave up on life because nothing made sense. I was homeless, jobless, and I had no friends. Okay? Here are some things I learned about friendships. If friendships are measured on a scale of 1 to 10, some friends are going to be a 1 out of 10, some are going to be a 5 out of 10, and others are going to be a 10 out of 10. And you need to know the difference. Okay? Many times we make a difference of relating with a friend who is a 1 out of 10 and treat them as if they are a 10 out of 10. If you don't know the difference, you're going to suffer. Who doesn't want to talk about their life? We all want to talk about life, how stressful it is, our pains. And many times, because we don't have anyone to talk to, we tell friends, we tell them our burdens, our goals, our troubles, everything that concerns us. I started paying for counseling, and it's one of the best investments I ever made. Ever since I started going for counseling, paid counseling, it has put a lot of burdens out of my heart. I now know that the person I'm gonna tell my troubles is someone that's gonna keep them safe. Even if it's nipped and they went and talked about it, it's known with people that are in my close circle. You know what I mean? So, what this has served me is that I have taken off the burden from my friends, from the people around me, and I am happier, okay? And this is gonna save me a lot of worrying that maybe my secrets are gonna be hard. Have you ever said something and regretted why you said it? There are conversations I've had when I'm so down and stressed and I need someone to talk to. And after I feel better, I'm like, why did I tell them that? That's instant regret because you didn't know what to do in that moment. You needed relief. You needed someone to talk to. Okay? And also, if you know a designated person to tell what your problem is, it's gonna save you the burden of feeling embarrassed. Because we talk things about us and it's embarrassing sometimes, okay? Most of the secrets, like it's dirty laundry, it's gonna embarrass you when people find out about it, and most people don't keep secrets, honestly. So in summary, if you really need to talk to someone, you need to consider getting a counselor or a therapist or a go-to person that you tell your problems or your issues or your goals, because it may disappoint you when you keep telling friends. Like I said, some friends are on a scale of 1 to 10, a 1 out of 10, a 5 out of 10, or a 10 over 10. If you don't know the difference, it's gonna cause you so much problems. Thank you so much. I'm gonna link other inspiring videos in a playlist. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.